Hi, my name is Mr. Pally, and I'm entering into the Shark Tank Science Fair edition. This is my video's proposal. My science fair question is, how do different types of cloths or rags affect how a PVC pipe will repel different kinds of metal cans? So I'm interested in this topic because I'm interested in static electricity and how static electricity interacts with everyday objects around us, like how it makes our hair stand up or how it makes us feel electric shock when we touch something. So I'm interested how a PVC pipe could push or repel an object that it's not even touching. So some information that I already know about this topic from my research. I know that positive and negative charges, since they're opposite, they attract. But like charges, like positive and negative, they repel. So if you take a look at my diagram here, you can see that when you rub a rag on a PVC pipe, the negative charges on the rag now go onto the pipe. So that's what's happening here. The negative charges are on the pipe. And what happens is if you bring a metal can close to that pipe, what will happen is the negative charges of the electrons flowing in the metal of the can are going to be repelled by the same negative charges on the pipe, causing the can to roll away from the pipe. So the materials I'm going to need for this experiment are a piece of PVC pipe. I'm going to need some metal cans, at least one kind of metal can, and I'm going to need at least 3 different kinds of rags. The kinds of rags I'm planning to use include a microfiber cloth, a regular cotton t-shirt, and a traditional rag. So those are the 3 materials. The thing I'm going to be changing over the course of my experiment is seeing how the 3 different types of rags affect how strongly the PVC pipe pushes away my can. And what I'm going to measure is how quickly I can move that can across the room. So I'm going to measure maybe 10 feet on a piece of tape, and I'm going to see, after rubbing each type of cloth on the PVC pipe, I'm going to see how quickly I can move that can. So the faster I can move the can, that means the more negative electrons I was able to get from that cloth onto the pipe, and the more strongly it's going to repel my can. So that's how I'm going to compare all 3 types of rags. And then I'm going to win first place on the science fair because my project is going to be really fun and interesting. I think people are going to be interested in it, especially because of the race component. When folks are looking at the different projects at science fair. Also, I think electricity is really interesting, and I'm going to present it in a way that makes it both interesting and accessible to the judges when they come by and check out my poster. All right, thank you for considering my project, and I hope and plan to be at the science fair in April. Thank you.